And the saga that is 2020 continues. Man, this has been one weird year. And trust me, I don't want to wish my life away for nothing. But I am ready for 2021. Windy, cold, and been raining all night long. Yep, that's right. 2020 has been one weird year. And I'm not one to wish my life away because I have only a little bit of it. And I don't like wishing it away, but I am ready for 2020. I don't know about all you. So, it's been raining all day. The temps on this weekend was 90 to 91. Humid. Oh my God. That this tropical storm pushed up all that humidity and everything. So it's been real humid, real hot. Now it's in the 60s, like 62 right now, and wind's blowing, which makes it feel a lot colder than what it is. But that's not what you're here for today, is a weather report. You are here to see what is in that box.
Show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
So let's get to it. The Camaro, the 5th gen Camaro by design is an absolutely gorgeous car. I love the car. When I first got the car, I was like, I like everything about it. I'm not going to change anything. Well, as I got to driving it, I got used to it, you know, seeing other models like the Z28 and, you know, just everybody else's personal cars and everything. I was like, man, I really like this, I really like that, you know, so on and so forth about these cars. And one thing that has really bugged me about my car, actually the only thing that has bugged me that I can really change, is the rear end of it. If you look at this car and look at it front to back, the front looks pretty good. I'm going to be doing a little something to the front later. But the front pretty much is perfect. The sides look great. The rear quarter panels look great. But if you look at that trunk area just looks squished. I mean, it's just, you got all this big bulging fiberglass and metal and everything up front, and then you come to the back and it's just squished. And that's always bugged me, so that's why I bought this box. Now I'll be talking more about it in the unboxing and everything, but this box I bought from a company called The Spoiler Company. They're mainly sell on eBay. That's their main place. You can find them by doing a Google search. Yes, you can find them on Amazon and other places, but their main place that they do business is eBay. They have an eBay store, and I've purchased from them before. I actually purchased this spoiler, which will go on. I'll be talking more about it in the video. And this goes on the rear window. It's nice, you know, curvature. It's just rubber is all it is, but it's well made and it's lasted. The color matched perfect. I could not be happier with this product. And that goes on the back window. You know, the top of the air comes across the top of the air. The air comes across the top of the car. And then once the kick down, follow the curvatures and the angles of the car and everything, just scoot off the back. That gives it a little bit more downforce by pushing on the back window. Well, what's in the box came from the same place. And like I said, the name of the company is The Spoiler Company. I got that from them. A good channel supporter named John Goodrow bought that for me and had it painted and everything and sent it to me. And I was so pleased with them that I actually went with them again. And I'm going to talk about that. Now, depending on where you find what I have in the box, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, it's a spoiler, okay? That way you won't be saying, oh God, is he ever going to get to it? It's a spoiler, yes. Again, this is for something completely different, so let's see if I can get this off without messing anything up. And this is one of the reasons that I really like dealing with this company. The name of the company is The Spoiler Company, and it is on eBay's eBay store. And you can find it online and other places like Amazon and stuff like that if you really search. But the name of it is Spoiler Company, and I'll explain more about them here in just a minute. But they actually sent this for another project, and I'll show you and explain about that again here in just a second. But this is what we're here for. Does that meet your certification requirements there, Mr. Cooper? Huh? Does that meet them? Good boy. I tell you what, 10 minutes later after fighting tape, wowzers. But here we go, let's get this bad boy unwrapped. This is the first time I've looked at it, as you can see by all the tape and wrap and everything. I actually like that they put that strip on there. A lot of the ones that I have seen online and everything, like from Face Tech and everything, Fast Tech, however you want to say it, do not actually have this weather strip seal on there. So I'm actually amazed that they put that on there. Wow, I really appreciate that, guys. But here we go. Like I said, it's color matched. I'm sitting here looking at it in this light. It could stand a good polishing and everything, you know, from all this rubbing on it and all that. My fingers on it now and everything. But there we go. Man, super light. And look how thick and tall it is. This is going to make a statement on the back of that car. Just look at that. That's where it's going to go over the sides of the fenders and everything. Man, it's going to look super great. All right, it's going to be a little bouncy now because I got you off the tripod, but I wanted to show you this roll of tape that I showed you a minute ago, right here. They sent me this because when I ordered that spoiler, I explained to them, you know, that I had another spoiler from them and that it had come off, because all that holds this particular spoiler on that I'm fixing to show you is double-sided tape. And I'll put the link up there so you can see the video where I installed it, how it looked and everything. Really looks great on the car. I have been nothing but happy with it. The product, the paint, everything was spot on. The workmanship and all that stuff, just perfect. So I couldn't complain about it. But this is it. This one actually goes on the top of my back window. As you can see, it goes on the top of the back window, and it kicks the air as it comes down the top of them, as it comes across the roof line, and then wants to kick and go down the window. This lip actually kicks it up a little bit. Quit that, Coop. It actually wants to kick it up a little bit and create a little bit different airflow path. But as you can see, it's held on by double-sided tape, and it started coming loose right here on the edge, just ever so slightly. It was pulling down from the window, and me being the car nut that I am, I didn't like that, so I pulled up on it and it started coming off. So I just went ahead and pulled the whole thing off, took all the double-sided tape off, and now that I have more, I'm going to put it back on. Maybe I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna ask you guys in a minute something, but I'm gonna possibly put it back on. If I do, I'll wipe all this down with rubbing alcohol, of course, isopropyl alcohol. I'll wipe the window down and stick it back on there real good. But back to this one. Oh my goodness, it is so light. I can't believe how light this big thing is. I mean, it's just beautiful. I am so happy with it. But look at how tall. Sorry, I'm drooling. Look at how tall this thing is going to sit up on the back of the car. Oh my God, that's going to be so much better. I am super pleased with this. Wow, look how tall that is looking at it that way. Oh my goodness. Now, there's a lot of companies out there that make spoilers. Man, that thing's got to be 7 inches tall. Look at that, 6 to 7 inches tall. There's a lot of companies out there that make spoilers. And there's a lot of replicas, there's a lot of originals, there's so many different ways you could go. But I really like the one that was on the Z28 Camaro. If you didn't know, I have a Z28, but it's a 4th gen model, 1993 to be specific. But I really like the way the 5th gen Z28 spoiler looked on the car. So I looked around. Everybody was so freaking expensive. It's ridiculous. So expensive. Just for plastic ones, anywhere from $350 to $500. You look on Face Tech Performance or Fast Tech Performance, however you want to look at it. Theirs is like $400, $450 if I can remember correctly. I'll put it in. Just for this unpainted. Now if you look at this, whoo, don't drop it. And it doesn't come with that weather stripping on the bottom like I said. If you look at this one on the spoiler company's website, I paid $230 some odd for this, painted. This is hand-laid fiberglass. It's not plastic. It is hand-laid fiberglass. See, listen. You don't get that sound with rubber. This is hand-laid fiberglass, and that's one of the reasons I wanted it. Plus, like I said, I dealt with it before. And you know, me being a car guy, the tape, like I said, the tape came off the back. And when I ordered this, I mentioned to them that the tape had come off. So they sent me some more. Didn't ask them to. I just mentioned what kind of tape do they use. They sent me a whole roll to put this back on the car. So here's the questions, okay? Concerning this first, should I put it back on the car right now? I mean, like I said, the air comes across the top, then it goes down the window, across the back, and off the back end. This creates a little downforce by disturbing the air as it comes over the top. So should I put this back on? I'm going to leave these questions up to you. And I may or may not, you know, go by the results. We'll see as I go. Depends after I put this on. And then there's another thing called a gurney flap, or most affectionately known as a wicker bill. And just like that, the air comes off the window, goes down across the back, right? Hits this spoiler and then goes up. And then that creates downforce, a lot more downforce than that little itty bitty one that's on the car now. And what the wicker bill, and you know, goes up, comes over and goes across. Now what the gurney flap or the wicker bill does, it sticks up. You know, you can get a low profile one, or you get one that sticks up 3 to 4 inches. It gives it just that much more tall area for the air to want to go up and create more downforce. Now, I'm not going to be really racing this car on tracks and everything, but they look super cool. If you look on about any car on YouTube right now, they have a wicker bill. But with all that said, do you think I should put a wicker bill? Or do you think I should wait until I get this installed? Because now I got to wait until it quits raining to even put this on, because I got to take the old one off, I got to clean it, I got to fix any messed up paint that's on it or anything like that, and then install it. But it only takes 15-20 minutes max to put this on. So there's the questions. Number 1, should I put that back on? Number 2, should I put order the gurney flap and put that on, or the wicker bill? Or number 3, should I wait until I get this on to see how it looks? I know what my wife's going to say. She's not here right now, but I guarantee you she'll say, wait and see how this looks. I might not want it. I might not like the way it looks with a gurney flap on. I might like it just like this. What are your thoughts? But anyhow, this is it. I'll have an install video coming up as soon as it quits raining. So be on the lookout for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about all the babbling and confusion and round and round and round. But yes, the spoiler company. My first initial impressions of this product: well made, quality, lightweight, even has the weather stripping on there. Paint is flawless, not a scratch, not a mark, not a swirl. It's just got my grubby fingerprints on it. Now my biscuit grabbers have a tendency to do that when I pick something up. So the spoiler company, a lot cheaper than places like Fastech. So you may too want to check them out. Really great products. Until next video, guys, gals, I hope you enjoyed it. Like again, I'm sorry about all the babbling, but I'm excited about getting this. So we'll see you in the next video, which will be the install video. Thanks for watching.